On-screen text. How to change voice to male, Google Translate. Narrator. In 60 seconds, I'll show you how to switch Google Translate to a deeper, male-style voice on desktop and mobile. On-screen caption. Step 1. Open Google Translate. Narrator. First, on your computer, open Google Translate in your web browser. On-screen caption. Step 2. Type any text. Narrator. Type a short sentence into the left box so you can preview the voice. On-screen caption. Step 3. Find a listen icon. Narrator. Next, look for the small speaker icon under the translation result. On-screen caption. Step 4. Adjust voice in browser. Narrator. If the voice sounds too high, right-click your page and check your browser's Read Aloud or voice options for more male voice if available. On-screen caption. Note. Narrator. Google Translate itself doesn't let you pick male or female directly on desktop, so changing it depends on your browser's voice settings. On-screen caption. Step 1. Open the app. Narrator. On your phone, open the Google Translate app and choose your languages. On-screen caption. Step 2. Type your text. Narrator. Type or paste a short phrase so you can preview the voice on mobile too. On-screen caption. Step 3. Tap the speaker. Narrator. Tap the speaker icon next to the translation to hear the current voice. On-screen caption. Step 4. Check system text-to-speech. Narrator. To move closer to a male voice, open your phone's text-to-speech or voice settings from System Settings. On-screen caption. Step 5. Pick a deeper voice. Narrator. In text-to-speech, choose a voice labeled male, low, or any option that sounds deeper when you preview it. On-screen caption. You're set. Narrator. Now, when you use Google Translate, it will speak using your new, more male-sounding voice. Test a few phrases until you're happy with the result.